Christmas is just around the corner, so Sarah and I are going to take a trip to Toronto's local arts and crafts market called the One of a Kind Show. It happens twice a year in Toronto. I missed the one that happened in spring, so I'm really excited to check the winter one out and hopefully get some inspiration for some Christmas gifts. My ideal situation would be to just cook my way through Christmas without having to give any gifts, but gifting is fun as well, so I'm just gonna see if I can get some ideas to whip something up on my own. Overall, it is the thought that counts, but also hashtag capitalism, so let's go shopping. I love to check out these local shows because it's so great to be able to support local artists because more than just supporting them, they also have such unique things to offer that you can just not find at a massive department store. Oh my god, this is so cute. What do you think? Let me know in the comments what you guys are gonna get so I can steal your inspiration. You can also see the amount of hard work that goes into like one piece. I love interacting with the artists to understand their process and how they went about creating these amazing pieces. so that was awesome. I hope you enjoyed spending time with us. I got to see so many amazing things. We link to all of the artists that we really enjoyed in the description box below, so you can check it out, especially if you're in Canada. And yeah, let us know in the comments how you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time. Bye. I'm so hungry.
What are we eating?
So guys, we're gonna go get some vegan and gluten-free Ethiopian food. I'm so excited. I can't believe I haven't been to this restaurant before. I hope they're open and I hope they don't need reservations because that would suck. But yeah, I'm so hungry. And yeah, Sarah, are you hungry?
Me too.
Hey guys, so we're here at the Ethiopian restaurant and I'm starving, so we're probably gonna get some kef, which is the Ethiopian, injera, which is the Ethiopian bread made with kef, and then we get an option of 6 vegan dishes. Hopefully we can pick the 6 dishes, but it's pre-selected, we don't care really anything at this point, anything vegan and gluten free.